Bitcoin price prediction. Market influenced by Ripple's legal victory and global interest. The price of Bitcoin is currently hovering around $30,300, up by less than 0.50% on Monday during the Asian session. The price has changed as a result of the recent ruling in favor of Ripple in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, returning it to where it was on last Thursday. A former SEC officer, however, raises doubt about the decision regarding XRP, claiming that the decision rests on shaky ground and foreseeing a probable reversal in the future. In other developments, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink predicts that the effect of cryptocurrencies will outpace that of any single currency, underscoring the rising interest in digital assets around the world. Let's talk about the most recent Bitcoin market events in this update as legal disputes and shifting market attitudes continue to influence its course. Former SEC official, the decision in the SEC versus Ripple case may be overturned. A former director of Internet Enforcement at the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission claims that the outcome of the SEC versus Ripple case is still up in the air and that the verdict will probably be overturned. Institutional investors are given full protection by the SEC under the Ripple ruling, while regular investors are not subject to this rule. This raises questions about the decision's retrogressive nature, as John Reed Stark emphasized. The Ripple decision creates a scenario where a token may occasionally be categorized as a security but not always. Regular investors are left unprotected, which increases ignorance and deliberate blindness. Furthermore, the issuer of a token has less accountability the less information that issuer has released about the token. John Reed Stark's worries don't seem to have any impact on the bullish trend in BTC pricing. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink envisions cryptocurrencies transcending individual currencies as interest throughout the world rises. Cryptocurrencies, in the opinion of BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, have the potential to outlive all other forms of money in addition to being universal. Regarding BlackRock's filing of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Fink emphasized the significance of guaranteeing safety and security in the cryptocurrency market. In light of the US dollar's volatility over the previous 5 years and in recent months, Fink thinks a worldwide cryptocurrency product can overcome the constraints of individual currencies. He draws attention to the rising demand for cryptocurrencies among people all around the world, demonstrating their enormous potential. In addition, Fink talks about how crucial it is to make investing more accessible and recognizes how exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have revolutionized how people invest around the world. According to him, this is simply the start of a wider investing revolution. Regarding BlackRock's request for a Bitcoin ETF, Fink reaffirms the company's commitment to working with regulators to assure investors' safety and protection whenever the BlackRock name is connected to any market. The rise in the value of Bitcoin on Monday is attributed to Larry Fink's supportive comments. Price prediction for Bitcoin. The $30,000 level, which also serves as a crucial psychological support level, has provided Bitcoin with instant technical assistance. Recent spinning top and doji candles above this level suggest a likely shift in favor of the bulls and a waning of the bearish momentum. A bullish breakout may also be possible given that an upward trend line acting as resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Although the relative strength index and moving average convergence-divergence indicators are neutral, it's important to keep in mind that the 50-period exponential moving average near $30,400 may act as resistance. If Bitcoin stabilizes between $30,400 and $30,000, there may not be much price movement. Bitcoin might reach levels around $30,900 or possibly $31,500 if a bullish breakthrough occurs over $30,400. However, a negative breach below the $30,000 mark might drive the price of Bitcoin towards the $29,500 level.